Hello student, today we are going to start with the chapter number 16, water a precious resource. I know that chapter number 15 is left, I will explain you later. But today we continue with the chapter number 16. So what is chapter number 16? Water a precious resource. We all know that water is very precious. Without water, life does not exist. Right? So jal hai to kal hai. If there is water, then future will be there, and if water is not there, then future does not exist. If you have water, you can think of future, because we know that all living organisms depends on water, and water is the life for living organism. Now you have perhaps aware that 22 March is celebrated as a World Water Day. So underline this, that 22 March is celebrated as World Water Day. A school celebrated Water Day and invited a poster for the children of your age group. Some of the posters are presented on that days are shown in figure 16.2. So in this first paragraph they says that 22 March is a World Water Day, and in school there is a poster competition, and in this the children have made a poster on the awareness about water and the preservation of water. So they have make save energy, save every drop of water, you can save water, every drop counts, my best friend is water. So children, if you have a time at home, then you can make a poster about saving the water. It will be nice. You can make how water is important. If you have time, you can make the poster at home. What is the message that you get from this poster? If you see this poster, what message you get? We get that water is an important resource and we need to save the water. Write your observation in your notebook and discuss them in class. Have you ever felt a shortage of water at home or at school? Your parents or teacher must be very often be advising you not to waste water. Now we know that our parents and our teacher always say that never waste water, because water is precious. No wonder celebrate Water Day every year to attract the attention of everybody towards the importance of conserving water. So every year we celebrate Water Day, and celebrating Water Day, it attracts the people that water is important and we should save water. Now the amount of water recommended by the United Nations for drinking, washing, cooking and maintaining a proper hygiene is minimum of 50 liter per person per day. Underline this, that according to the United Nations, how much water we required? We required 50 liter per person per day. एक पूरे दिन में एक इंसान को कितना पानी चाहिए? How much water they required? They required 50 liter. This amount is 2.5 bucket of water per person per day. If your family is getting at least this much of water, if yes, you should be consider yourself fortunate, because millions of people in the country do not get enough water. So if this much amount of water, if you are using, then you consider yourself very lucky, because there are millions of people who are not getting this much of water in our country. What about your friends and family? Share your experience with them. In some places there is an acute shortage of water. In some places you will find very much scarcity of water, or very acute shortage of water, जहाँ पानी बिल्कुल नहीं मिलता और वरना पानी बहुत कम मिलता है. The tap running dry, long queues for water. If you go near Rajasthan or if you go near Kutch in Gujarat, you will find that water is very important. Right? Now, even fights and marches and protests for the demand of water have become a common sight. Sometimes even you will see that people were fighting for water. Water have become, especially during summers. I have already told that in summers we will find the scarcity of water. Some of the newspaper clippings shown in the figure 16.3 clearly indicates this message. Is it not true that we face an acute shortage of water? Yes, we will see an acute shortage of water. Sometimes in even newspapers there are clippings showing the shortage of water. See, this is a poster in which you can see that people are in the queue and they are waiting for their turn to get a water. There is a long queue for water. Now, collect the clipping from the newspaper and magazines on the news items, articles and the picture related to water shortage. Paste them in your scrapbook and share it with your friend. If you have a time, then take a newspaper or a magazine, and from there, if you get a picture of this type of scarcity of water, then you can paste it in your scrapbook and you can share with your friend. List some problem faced by the people and discuss in the class. Now you can discuss what problems you face by collecting a water. Sometimes even children are not able to go to school because they don't find water. There is a hard situation in some places where water is not available. Now, water shortage has become a matter of concern throughout the world. Water shortage is not only in India, but in whole world we find a water shortage. It is estimated that in a few years from now, more than 1/3 of people in the world would face water scarcity. It is very important because in world there will be 1/3 of people who will face the problem of water. Now in the blue line there is written something. What is that? Year 2003 was observed as an international year of fresh water to make people aware that dwelling of natural resource. So this year 2003 it was an international year of fresh water. Before we discuss why water getting scarce, we must know how much water is available in our planet. So our planet Earth, we must know that how much fresh and usable water is available. So how much water is available? कितना पानी हमारे पास है? Let's see. Now look at the picture of the Earth taken from the space. Now here you can see the picture that is taken from the space, right? And surely you can guess. You are aware that about 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. This is very important. How much place of water is covered in Earth? How much the surface is covered with water? That is 71%. Almost all the water on the Earth is contained in the sea, ocean, river, lake, ice caps, groundwater and in the atmosphere. So where we can find the water? In the Earth, in our planet Earth, we can find water where? In the seas, in the oceans, in the river, lake, ice caps and groundwater and in the atmosphere. However, the most of this water is not fit for the human consumption directly. So, whatever the water resources that are available on the Earth, that human being cannot consume directly, like ocean or the sea water, we cannot drink directly because that water is salty. So the most of the water that is available on the Earth, that cannot be consumed or we cannot take it directly. The water that is fit for use is a fresh water. So which water is important for the human being? That is fresh water. Perform the following activity to estimate roughly the relative amounts of water available in some of the resources. So there is an activity even you can do at home. What you need to do? Take a medium sized bucket and fill it with water, and it contains about 20 liters of water. So one bucket, एक डोल ले लो, पता है उसमें क्या डालो? पानी. Now assume this water represents all water on the earth. So ये जो bucket है ये पूरा क्या represent करता है? कितना पानी earth में है? How much water is in the earth? Now what you do? Now take a tablespoon of about 5 ml capacity and transfer about 100 spoon of water from the bucket to a small container like a bath mug. So from the bucket, now you transfer the amount of water in this bath bucket. How many spoons you have to take? 100 spoon. So what this represent the total fresh water of earth. Now you understand children, ये पानी पूरा अर्थ का है ऐसा समझो. अगर ये पानी जो हम कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं इतना कितना है? That is only the fresh water of the earth. Now what you do? From the bath mug, transfer the 30 spoon of water in a glass. From this bath mug, take your spoon and transfer how many spoon? 30 spoon in a glass. And what this represent? This gives a measure of usable water represent as a groundwater. This represent your groundwater. And now finally take about a quarter, that is 1/4 spoon of water from the mug, and it represents all the water represent in your lake and the river of the world. So इतना जो पानी है वो पानी किसका है? Lake or river of the world. So the water that is left in bucket represents the saline water represents in your sea, ocean and partly as a groundwater. This water is not fit for human use. जो bucket का पानी है that is left over, that is not fit for human being. We cannot use this water. Now the water that is left in the bath mug represent the water which is present in the frozen form in the glaciers. जो ये बाथ मग में है वो कौन सा पानी है? That represent in the glaciers ice cap and permanent snow. Again not available readily. इसको हम directly use कर सकते नहीं है. So this way you can see that how important the water is. For today we will keep it for the page number 195. In the next class we will discuss and continue with this chapter. Okay children, thank you. I hope you understand.